Hello guys, this is the complete tour guide for the crypto payment method. You have to go through all the details below and follow the steps. If you don't have an exchange account, click here to create an account. Select the crypto you with to use. To make the recurring payment, click the Send Subscription Request button. Your recurring payment request has been sent to your exchange account. Now click here to log in to your exchange account. Now click on the wallet icon. Now click Trade Wallet. Now select your preferred crypto. Now click on Receive to generate a receiving address for crypto. You must always have enough balance in your wallet in crypto to cover the recurring payments. The crypto you received will show up in your holdings, but not in your available balance yet. To get it in your available balance, please fill out the travel rule info. Scroll the My Wallet page down to go to Wallet Transactions History and click on the Receive tab. You will see a yellow alert sign on the right side beside your crypto receiving transaction. Click on the yellow alert sign and fill in the form with the information asked there. Submit the form and wait a few minutes for it to be approved by our admin. Upon approval by our admin, the crypto you have received will show up in your available balance, ready to be used. Now, click on Recurring Payments. Now click on that tab to see your subscription request line item. Now click on the blue arrow to enable the recurring payment. This will instantly activate your subscription. Here you can see your current subscription status. Thank you for watching.